I'm always a big fan of white color tech product. All my gaming handhelds are in white, even my laptop. Unfortunately, the Steam Deck only comes with black, but now it was transferred into my favorite color. Yes, my Steam Deck is now completely in white. That includes all the buttons and triggers. I love how it looks now. It's simple, clean, and elegant, at least to myself. I spent about 5 hours on this project. I will talk about the overall experience and challenge that I faced. This shell is from ExtremeRate. The overall build quality is really great. All the buttons and triggers feel exactly same way as the stock. It comes with all the tools that require to get this job done. But I think the suction cup is just way too small. I will talk about this in later of this video. It also comes with tons of extra screws just in case you lose any screws during the installation. If you follow the ExtremeRate tutorial video, to remove most of parts of the original shell are pretty simple and straightforward. The only place that ExtremeRate tutorial video kind of misleading is removing the R1 and R2 buttons. Make sure you check ifixit for the correct way to remove the two triggers. There are lots of keyboards that need to be removed, and just be careful when you disconnect them. Some of them are very fragile. The screws at different locations may have different lengths. It's better to take a picture after you remove the screw, so you can put it back to original location during the installation. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part. Make sure you remove your SD card first before you remove the back plate. Otherwise, you need to buy a brand new SD card. The most difficult part of this project is removing the screen from the original shell. There is no way we can remove it by using a hair dryer. The temperature that's required to melt the glue is around 80 Celsius. It has to be done with heat gun. Also, the suction cup comes with the shell is not able to handle this job. I ended up using two big suction cups to remove the screen. You need to be patient, dedicated, with the right tools to get the screen off. If you can successfully remove the screen, that means you are done 80% of the job. Put everything back is pretty straightforward. You basically just reverse the previous step. I think ExtremeRate tutorial video did a great job on this part. When you put the screw back, just make sure follow exact same as the tutorial video. Do not put extra screws. I believe there are two screw holes that will be used by the back plate. So make sure you don't put screws into those holes before you install the back plate. If we give this process difficulty level from 1 to 10, I will give the difficulty level as 9. If you have zero experience to repair electronic device, I will not suggest you to take this risk. Especially the screen is really fragile and really hard to remove from the Steam Deck.